If you want to start using Trading212, you should click on the link in the description to get a free share up to $100 when creating an account. To take profits from pies in Trading212, click the pie icon. Assuming you already have a asset on your portfolio, select the specific pie where you want to take profits. Then click on the pie, then look for the withdraw funds option. This allows you to sell portion of your investment and move the profits back to your available balance. Afterward, you can transfer the profits to your linked bank account. While I'm not able to show you the full process due to verification requirements on my account, these are general steps you would follow once verified. And that's how you take profits from pies in Trading212. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.